Welcome to week 3, guys. Let's start going through what we're going to be doing this week. Let's look at our modules. We're going to scroll down. Here we are, week 3. So we're going to be doing a module pretest, and then we're going to be moving on to our first section of this module, which is maintaining balance. So let's go through the pretest first. Let's talk through what you're going to do. And then in my next video, we'll talk about the next section on maintaining balance. All right, so again, this is a pretest. All right, it's not going to affect your grade negatively. It's just a tool for us to see what you know. All right. So we're going through. This just kind of introduces you to all the things we're going to be doing in the next few weeks. All right. This is us today on the pretest. We're going to go through maintaining balance, mitosis, classification, keys and kingdoms. All right, and then we're going to be moving on from there. This just shows some of the skills that we're going to be learning on maintaining balance, advanced cell cycle and mitosis, classification, and keys and kingdoms. And again, guys, as you go through, always make sure to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Make sure you've seen everything in the slide, okay? Because sometimes there's things that are hidden at the bottom that you don't always see. So, a couple of things before you take the pretest. Make sure you are working consistently in the pretest. All right, you might get kicked out if you're doing one of these things that you shouldn't be, like walking away from the computer during a pretest, or opening a different browser, or clicking out of the screen. If you do any of those things, you might get kicked out and your score will be recorded as is. All right, again, scrolling down, review the module checklist, and then you're going to go ahead and do the 5.0 module pretest. Where can you find that? Right here at the next button. Here we are at the module pretest. It is 7 questions, 7 points. You're allowed 3 attempts, but again, this is a pretest. Don't stress over it. There are 3 questions in there that are review questions you should know. And there are 4 questions that you have not seen. They're previewing questions. It's new stuff. So as you go through, take your time. You're going to click right here where it says take the quiz. And always make sure you scroll down to the bottom. All right? Do the best you can. Take your time. Don't rush. Don't stress. Do the best you can do. All right? Good luck. And again, it's a pretest. Actually, don't worry about luck. You got this.